Hello there! In this video we're going to try to create one of those viral games you've probably seen in ads. More specifically this super juicy canon game. The fun part is that I'm going to build it without writing a single line of code. How good will the final result be? Let's get started. This is the first thing I want to show you. At first I uploaded some images to an AI and a small description of what I wanted to create, and as a result it built the prompt that then I'm gonna be using. As you can see, it's actually pretty long, and the cool thing is that you can continue iterating on it, or even create complete concept images about the game that then we're gonna be creating. So this is something super helpful. Once that you have your concept, what you can do is go to CodeWiz, and here as you can see you can basically create games with just text prompts. It's very interesting because as you can see more than 30,000 games have been created with it, and you can then take a look at some of them over here. To start, it's very simple. I'm just gonna be pasting the prompt, and once that I have it over here, I can even attach a reference image. So I'm gonna be using this concept art. After that, you will select the quality. In this case, let's go with best quality and click create. And after waiting for a bit, here we have our game. I'm gonna go to full screen and I'm gonna hit play. Okay, so we have the cannon and we have the different rocks that fall from the sky. So that's amazing because you can see rocks also get like subdivided as they get destroyed. And I think it's basically like a very similar game concept, and that's very cool. So let's try to destroy this rock. That's cool. Perfect. So now I believe wave 2 should start. Yes. There it is. And yes, if I collide with a rock, like I lose some health. And you can see like the base concept is already here. I believe that's very good. Let's try to destroy this rock. And I'm also gonna try to complete this wave as well. Okay, so as you can see, let's say a more resistant rocks also get spawned. And something else that's pretty cool is that it even created a live leaderboard. So that's amazing because in a matter of a few clicks we also have the system completely set up. Let's try to improve the game slightly, and for that we have this chat on the left. So we already have some things that we could directly implement, but I think that the main system that we currently need is a shop and canon system. As you can see, as soon as I've clicked on the option, CodeWiz starts working on it. Something else that is currently in beta are assets. So for example, I can select here background and say something like create a sky background for the game. So now that I have it over here, I think it looks very cool. I could, for example, use it in the prompt and tell CodeWiz here to use it for the background. In the meantime, let's see if we can test out the new shop system. So we have display button and shop button. So here in the shop, I can actually buy a lot of things. The UI here is also a little broken. I think this should be like the come back button. But now we have our background here that looks very, very good. And I always love the fact that it always suggests new features that I could add with just one click. Okay, so now here we are again with the new background. I think I want to also tell CodeWiz to remove like these elements over here, like this green stuff that was in the previous environment. And as you can see, I earn money, and I suppose that when I click pause, I can go to a shop and buy whatever I wanted. Okay, so here we are, wave 1. This is perfect. As you can see now, the background is way cleaner. And what I've done is also add a boss, okay, in the end of every single wave, just to add a little bit more challenge. So as you can see, I have this boss over here that like has a lot of health. Okay, so now wave 2 starts. And let's go back to the shop, for example. And instead I may have 0 coins, but I should have 22, but maybe this is a UI issue. I cannot buy anything, so let's continue playing. There it is. So now the next boss comes. You can see it has a lot of health, so let's try to destroy it. Well, I actually died, but there you saw the concept. And I'm gonna ask a few additions. So I'm gonna be asking for the things. For example, the boss should not just be one rock with a lot of health. I want some variety, something that feels a little bit more fun. I also want to be able to make money more easily because it's very complicated to buy stuff right now. And I also want to have a specific upgrade that allows me to have multiple cannons. Also, I'm gonna create a new background, something more cartoony, because I feel that this is a little bit too realistic. well, maybe not realistic, but it doesn't match the game style that much, I think. Yes, indeed, something like this I think is way better. Okay, so here code is finished. Here's the new background, I think it is way better. So let's hit play. And yes, okay, indeed, it feels a little bit better. Now let's see the boss that should be spawned right now. Okay, now there it is. So it has different shapes at least, and it's not just like one giant rock. There are some problems, so I'm gonna send them to CodeWisp. Okay, so let's see it again. Okay, so here the first boss should come. That's good. I have 140 coins, so I should go over here to the shop, and for example, I have this power up here, twin battery, adds up to 2 side cannons that fire together, so I think this should be very cool. And there it is. Okay, this is something a little bit different, okay, than what we used to have, but I cannot like control them properly. It's very weird how they move, as you can see, but like all the rest is very good. Okay, here it is. It even automatically saves the progress, so that's super cool, because you can see I already have the cannons, and I also told CodeWisp to actually give me way more money because I do wanna enjoy the different upgrades. So for example, +1 projectile damage per level, let's do it. Shoot faster each level, let's do it. Projectile speed, yes, give it to me. Let's have another cannon. We don't have cannon frames, so the shop is actually pretty complete. So let's come back and see our super power cannons. And yes, indeed, like I destroyed the boss, as you can see, literally. Oh, come on, that's super satisfying. I love it. Let me actually play this in full screen, because I think this feels very good. Yes, I am now, as you can see, closer to like this super juicy feel, right? So here is boss 2, I can destroy it, I can collect all these coins. Okay, that feels really good. Perfect. And well, I could continue like this. Yes, I think I literally bought everything, so I could even buy this one. And I would love to buy like different types of cannons, because right now I only have like one type of cannon. So now, okay, supposedly we should have a laser cannon that pierces through objects, and I also told it to add a missile cannon that should basically shoot rockets. So let's go to the shop, and I should be able to buy them from here. So as you can see here, we have the laser cannon. So let's, for example, buy it, and let's play it. Okay, and the idea is that these cannons, they should pierce through objects, and this, yes, okay, this is a little bit too overpowered, but well, yeah, there it is. It's a little bit broken. Okay, so here it is. Let's now go to a shop, and supposedly we should have it. So here we have it. Let's buy it. And as you can see, we can equip either the laser or this one, or like the normal cannon. So that's cool. So let's play with this one. And now each of them should have like a different sprite, as you can see. And the idea of this one is that it should deal damage in range, as you can see. So it's like, I basically destroy everything. It's like super overpowered. But it feels super juicy. That's what I wanted. Let's go back to the laser cannon, for example. Here we have it. And here we are back with this one that you can see pierces through objects. So yes, it feels awesome. Like right now I can say that this is a way better game, definitely. Of course, we should balance it maybe a little bit more, because I have like a lot of money, and I have bought like already a lot of upgrades. But you know, like the base game itself is super good. So indeed, I think the game itself is super good. So you'll have a link in the description down below to try out CodeWisp. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. See you and bye bye.